What if you could trade on the outcome of the world's biggest events? Not just crypto charts, but sports, economics, technology trends, and major global topics people already follow every single day. Imagine predicting whether Bitcoin reaches a major price level, whether oil prices move higher, or whether a championship team wins a major tournament. Now imagine turning those predictions into tradable position with up to 10x leverage. That's exactly what BingX EventX is built for. Before we dig deeper, let me share a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please note, contract trading involves high risk and may result in partial or total loss of funds. Please assess risk independently and manage your position size properly. Access is currently restricted to compliant locations. Now let's get it on. So this is BingX EventX, an event contract platform that transforms real-world events into tradable markets. Here's what makes this interesting. Instead of only trading traditional crypto charts, BingX EventX lets users trade probability of real-world outcomes using a simple yes or no system. Sports, economics, finance, entertainment, and global events. If people are talking about it, there's a good chance it becomes tradable. And this is where BingX EventX stands out. The platform includes a leverage mode with up to 10x amplification on event markets, a feature that makes probability movements far more dynamic compared to a standard prediction style systems. By the way, there's also currently a limited time zero fee experience for EventX during the public beta period. Now for people unfamiliar with BingX itself, BingX is already one of the larger global trading platforms in the space. The platform is trusted by over 40 million users worldwide, supports multiple trading products inside one ecosystem, and is also the official partner of Chelsea FC. One thing that's important here is that BingX isn't limited to just one market type. Users can access crypto trading, futures, copy trading, TradFi markets like commodities and forex, and now event contracts all under one account. And if you want to try the platform yourself, there's also an exclusive referral code available for this campaign. The first 50 users who register using the link in the description and enter this code can receive a 20 USDT futures voucher with 5x leverage. Later in the video, I'll also walk through exactly how to redeem the code step by step. Alright, let's break down how BingX EventX actually works. Every market is built around one core question with two possible outcomes, yes or no. So what do you guys think? Will France be the champion of the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Is it a yes or a no? Here's another one. Will Nvidia be the largest company at the end of June? Is it a yes or a no? You choose the side you believe in, place your position, and the market settles according to the final result. But what makes this more than simple guessing is the fact that prices move based on shifting probabilities. As market sentiment changes, prices move dynamically, creating opportunities before the final event outcome is even decided. So now let's talk about the biggest feature here, the leverage mode. This is currently one of the most unique parts of BingX EventX because users can trade probability movement itself with up to 10x leverage. So instead of waiting days or weeks for the final event result, users can react to changing odds. For example, if a major news update suddenly shifts market expectations, the probability pricing changes immediately and that movement becomes tradable. One important detail, leverage mode includes an automatic close time before final event settlement. So before opening a position, always check the timer and understand the trading window. For beginners, there's also classic mode. This works more like a straightforward prediction market. Choose yes or no, hold the position until settlement, and the final outcome determines the payout. It's much simpler and easier for first-time users who want exposure to event-based trading without using a leverage. There are a few reasons why EventX stands out from traditional markets. First, accessibility. Users can start from as little as 1 USDT. Second, diversification. Instead of relying only on crypto market movement, users can participate in sports, economics, and global event markets. Third, flexibility. Markets resolve relatively quickly compared to long-term investing structures, and positions can be managed before settlement. And finally, leverage opportunities. With up to 10x amplification available in leverage mode, even relatively small market shifts become more dynamic. One thing I actually like about the overall BingX ecosystem is how many different trading environments exist inside one platform. Users can access spot trading, futures, copy trading, forex, commodities, indices, event contracts, all inside a single portfolio system. On the security side, BingX also highlights several infrastructure features. A $150 million shield fund, proof of reserves verification, ISO 27001 certification. With more than 40 million users globally, the platform has already built a large international trading ecosystem. The interface itself is also beginner-friendly. Navigation is relatively simple, markets are easy to browse, and there are educational materials available through BingX Academy. Now let me show you exactly how to access BingX EventX. You can enter EventX in several ways. First, through the bottom contract bar. Second, through the market page. And third, directly from featured product sections on the home page. Once inside, you'll arrive at Event Square, where all active markets are listed. Browse the available markets and choose an event you want to trade. Inside the event page, you'll see the event question, yes and no options, market pricing, settlement details, and trading timer. If you believe the event will happen, select yes. If you believe it won't happen, then select no. Then, enter your market size, choose market or limit order, and then click Confirm Trade. After entering a position, users can either hold until settlement or close the position early. If the probability moves in your favor, you can lock in gains before the settlement. Or if market conditions change, positions can also be closed early to manage risk. And again, in leverage mode, always monitor the auto-close timer. Now let's talk about the current BingX campaign connected to EventX. BingX is launching a mystery box lucky draw campaign with a total prize pool of $1 million. Now let's talk about the current BingX campaign connected to EventX. BingX is launching a mystery box lucky draw campaign with a total prize pool of $1 million. Users can increase their participation chances through deposits, trading activity, and referrals. Mystery box started May 19 and will end after a week, so make sure to join this event. And honestly, if you're exploring EventX for the first time, leverage mode is probably the feature most people are going to want to test. Now, here's how to redeem the exclusive referral offer. Step 1, click the campaign link in the description. Step 2, register a new account. Step 3, when prompted, enter the referral code. After registration, go to the rewards or voucher section to activate the 20 USDT future voucher with 5x leverage. This offer is limited to the first 50 users only, so make sure to register today. So overall, BingX EventX introduces a very different approach to traditional trading environments. Instead of focusing only on crypto price charts, the platform turns real-world events into tradable markets with yes or no outcomes, flexible participation, and up to 10x leverage. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is in the description along with the referral code shown in this video. And as always, trade responsibly, manage your risk properly, and make sure you fully understand any market before participating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.